Good morning and welcome to my Vedanta classes. My name is Anil Pathik. Today we are going to learn some 10 other methods, other methods to improve speaking skill. This will be work you as a support function. We have in first video we have learned prime 10 methods. Now we are going to learn total 50 sub methods out of first part is a 10. So we'll divide in 5 slides. So we are going to learn first part, that is 10 sub other methods that will be work as a support function. So we'll start. First, be realistic about your English learning goals. आपल्या इंग्रजी शिकण्याच्या ध्येयावर वास्तववादी बना. So do not expect your English to be as good as that of a native speaker soon after taking up the language. It takes time. आपली इंग्रजी भाषा बोलल्यानंतर लवकरच मूळ भाषिका इतकी चांगली होईल अशी अपेक्षा करू नका. त्यासाठी वेळ लागतो. येस, because when we are a learning stage, we cannot expect that our English speaking will be as good as native speaker. जे नेटिव्ह स्पीकर असतात त्यांच्यासारखं आपण इंग्रजी बोलण्याची लगेच होईल असं वी कॅनॉट एक्सपेक्ट. तर सेकंड आहे प्रॅक्टिस स्पीकिंग ॲज वेल, नॉट जस्ट रीडिंग अँड लिसनिंग. इंग्रजी येणे फक्त वाचणे किंवा ऐकणे नव्हे तर ते बोलण्याचा सराव करणे आहे. व्हाईल रीडिंग अँड लिसनिंग कॅन हेल्प यू लर्न ए लॉट अबाउट द लँग्वेज, द ओनली वे टू स्पीक बेटर इंग्लिश इज बाय स्पीकिंग इट युअरसेल्फ. वाचणे आणि ऐकणे ह्या भाषेबद्दल आपल्याला बरंच काही शिकण्यात मदत करते, परंतु स्वतःला बोलणे आणि अधिक चांगले इंग्रजी बोलण्याचा एकमेव मार्ग आहे. दॅट मीन्स यू हॅव टू just not read and listen, you have to think yourself in English. Whenever you think anything, the now you think in Marathi, so you have to start immediately to think in English. So it will be help, it will be support you to fluent your English speaking skill. Then third method is practice speaking English whenever you get a chance. जेव्हा जेव्हा आपल्याला संधी मिळेल तेव्हा इंग्रजी बोलण्याचा सराव करा. डू नॉट पास अप ए चान्स टू स्पीक इंग्लिश whenever one arises. जेव्हा जेव्हा एखादी इंग्रजी बोलणारी व्यक्ती आपल्याला भेटेल तेव्हा इंग्रजी बोलण्याची संधी गमावू नका. दिस ओनली फॉर एक्झाम्पल की जेव्हा जेव्हा आपल्याला संधी मिळेल, दॅट मीन्स इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दॅट वी शुड ऑलवेज फाइंड person who speak English. You have a lot of opportunities to improve English. You have a YouTube now. Now there are a lot of YouTubes. You can listen something through YouTube. There are so many leaders who have uh, lectures, or there are so many classes on YouTube available. So then you have newspapers, you have a English news channel, so you can learn English through these methods. Then fourth, get native English speaking friends and practice speaking with them. मूळ इंग्रजी बोलणारे मित्र मिळवा आणि त्याच्याबरोबर बोलण्याचा सराव करा. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश लाईक ए नेटिव्ह, यू शुड हॅव फ्रेंड्स हू स्पीक इट लाईक यू वूड लाईक टू. आपणास मूळ इंग्रजी लोकांसारखे बोलायचे असल्यास आपल्याकडे असे मित्र बोलावे जे तुम्हाला पाहिजे तसे मूळ इंग्रजी बोलतात. नाव if you are living a city area, it is possible to get such a friends, but when you are living urban, rural area, then it is not a it is a difficult to find speaker who can speak English. So instead of find some English friend, you can have your own friends and start conversation with your own friend. Not necessary you should speak very fluently or correctly. Just start. The next आहे डू नॉट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ मेकिंग मिस्टेक. चुका करण्यास घाबरू नका. येस, मिस्टेक्स आर पार्ट ऑफ लँग्वेज. दे हेल्प यू नो व्हेअर यू नीड टू मेक इम्प्रूव्हमेंट्स टू बिकम ए बेटर इंग्लिश स्पीकर. चुका शिकण्याचा भाग आहे. एक चांगलं इंग्रजी स्पीकर होण्यासाठी आपल्याला कुठे सुधारणा करण्याची आवश्यकता आहे हे आपल्याला मदत करतात. दॅट मीन्स यू हॅव टू फर्स्ट स्टार्ट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश वेदर it is not necessary that you are speaking well enough, you are speaking correctly with the pronouns, with the grammar. It is not necessary, you don't afraid. But unless you start with someone, you don't know whether we are speaking very good, correctly, correct pronouns. Though somebody laugh at you, don't bother. You have to ignore initial page. Then use simple sentence at first, then progress to more complex sentences. प्रथम साधी वाक्य वापरा, त्यानंतर अधिक जटिल वाक्यामध्ये प्रगती करा. You have to start from somewhere. Do not struggle to master the complex language parts until you have mastered the basics. आपल्याला कुठेतरी सुरुवात करावी लागेल. आपण मूलभूत गोष्टींमध्ये प्रभुत्व मिळवण्यापर्यंत गुंतागुंतीच्या भाषेच्या जाग्यावर प्रभुत्व मिळवण्यासाठी संघर्ष करू नका. दॅट मीन्स you have to start first because you have gone through some common phrases. These are the common phrases. That means you can say it's a small sentence. So you have to memorize them. Start to speak with others. Don't wait that you will have a very fluent English with some fashionable sentences or something like that, because if you might heard somewhere people speaking with very polished language. It is not necessary to start with polished language. Just start with common sentences which we have already gone through. Then 7, get a reliable English learning course. विश्वसनीय इंग्रजी शिकवणीचा कोर्स मिळवा. Having the right English speaking course can accelerate the rate at which you learn to speak this language fluently. योग्य इंग्रजी बोलण्याचा कोर्स घेतल्याने आपण ज्या भाषेत स्खलितपणे बोलायला शिकता त्या दराला गती मिळते. दॅट मीन्स you have to find some small English speaking course, but you have heard somewhere newspaper, or news channel that you can speak English in 7 days, in 15 days, in 3 months. No, I think you will be mistaken, because there is no shortcut to speak English in a very few days. There is a lot of pain, but it is not impossible. Lot of pain, but it's a lot of practice required to speak English. Daily practice, daily discipline practice required to speak English. Make an effort to improve your pronunciation. आपले उच्चारण सुधारण्यासाठी प्रयत्न करा. The way you pronounce certain words could be the reason your English speaking skills seems a little off. So practice saying some problematic words properly. आपण इंग्रजी बोलण्याचे कौशल्य जरासे कमी करण्याचे कारण आपण विशिष्ट शब्द विचारण्याचा मार्ग असू शकतो. तर काही समस्याग्रस्त शब्द योग्यरित्या वापरण्यास सांगण्याचा सराव करा. दॅट मीन्स यू हॅव टू व्हाईल लर्निंग स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, यू हॅव टू ऑल्सो गिव अ personal attention to your pronunciation, because I'm not saying that you start immediately to what you are saying is pronounced is correct, but you have to refer certain books where pronunciation is in written in your language also. I have also some coming video where we can learn pronunciations, because English pronunciation is not what as per word you cannot go by word and pronounce. There are certain words which I have taken from other officials, next officials, Latin language, like French language. So there are certain phrases I have taken from different languages. So you cannot just pronounce what it is written in English. Then last slide for part 1. ट्राय सेईंग समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा, काहीतरी एक चांगले बोलण्याचा, जास्त बोलण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. डू नॉट गिव्ह वन वर्ड रिप्लायज लाईक येस अँड नो. ट्राय टू से समथिंग मोर टू बिल्ड युअर स्किल्स अँड कॉन्फिडन्स. होय आणि नाही अशा एका शब्दाची उत्तरे देऊ नका. आपली कौशल्य आणि आत्मविश्वास वाढवण्यासाठी आणखी काहीतरी सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. वेन यू आर लर्निंग पेज, somebody asks, just you don't say yes or no. You have to make at least 2 or 3 word sentences, not just one sentence yes or no. Not necessary that what you are saying is correct or incorrect. Just try and say. So just don't say yes and no. Make it habit to use at least 3-4 word sentences to start with. Then last, for this part, learn from your mistakes. आपल्या चुकांमधून शिका. Once you learn, you tend to make a certain mistakes. Work on getting rid of it, and over time, your English will improve considerably. एकदा आपण एखादी चूक केल्यास, आपण त्यावर लगेचच काम केल्यास आपण इंग्रजी बऱ्यापैकी सुधारेल. What did mean? Okay, because while learning, while in class, or while we're outside public, you will learn lot of English people who speaks, or to news channel, or where you read somewhere. And if you don't understand that, you can just write now. You can keep one notebook, small notebook, pocket notebook, where you can write immediately which word you find difficult. And once you reach at home, you refer these, you find out what is the pronunciations, how the people who speak that, with which tone. Then you can also learn their meaning and make some other sentences too. So in this way you can definitely learn and improve your speaking skill. So this is the first part, where we today we learn 10 some other matters which will be work you as a support function. So thank you for this video. We will have another 4 parts in next coming video. As I am reminding you, please subscribe, like and share my channels to your friends, your colleagues, your relatives, so they can also subscribe my channel and get new video directly on their screen. Thank you very much, and have a good day.